Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your computer. Playing mobile games on a larger screen can significantly enhance your experience. We will explore the simple steps to get your favorite brawler onto your desktop. This process involves using special software that mimics a mobile device, allowing you to enjoy the game with keyboard and mouse controls or even a gamepad for a more precise and comfortable gaming session. First, you will need to select and install an Android emulator. There are several excellent choices available, such as BlueStacks or Nox Player. Visit their official websites to download the installer. The installation process is typically very simple, involving just a few clicks. Before you begin, ensure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor for optimal performance. This step is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Once your emulator is successfully installed, launch it and sign in using your existing Google account. This step is essential to access the Google Play Store. Within the emulator, you will find an icon for the Play Store, just like on an Android phone. Click on it, search for Brawl Stars in the search bar, and then click Install. The game will download and install directly into your emulator, ready for you to play. To get the best experience, take some time to optimize your gameplay. Most emulators allow you to adjust settings like resolution and frame rate for smoother performance. You can also customize keyboard and mouse controls to suit your playstyle, assigning specific actions to keys. For an even more immersive experience, consider connecting a gamepad. Many players find that using a controller provides a more natural and precise way to control their brawlers in the arena.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.